Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I am going to take the lecture on the subject named Data Warehousing and Data Mining. Now, today's session name is Star Schema. Now, these are the following heads which I have covered in this lecture. First, what is star schema? Types of conceptual modeling. I told you in my previous video there are basically three types of conceptual modeling. In this I have covered star schema. Okay, so characteristics of star schema and the example of star schema. What is star schema? As the name already itself told about the meaning, star means a center of point, you can say. Okay, so star schema is simple and can be defined as a relational database schema, because in this we are basically storing some data in a warehouse. So we are talking about the database. In a database we have number of tables, and in the tables there are of course relationships in between them. So one is the one table you can say is the main table, another table is called the linked table, you can say. So the main table we can call it as a fact table, and the another table which is linked to that fact table is called as the dimension table. So it is so here star schema is what? Simple, easy to define, as a relational database schema which is used for representing multi-dimensional data. Okay, so now comes to the characteristics of star schema. In star schema, every dimension in a star schema is represented with only one dimension table. Clear? Only one dimension table. The dimension table should contain the set of attributes. The dimension table is joined to the fact table using a foreign key. The dimension table are not joined to each other. They are separated and connected to the main table. Okay, that is called fact table. And you know about primary and foreign key. Foreign key means the primary key which is in the table, and that primary key is also resembles in the another table. So that key is not called as a primary key, it will call it as a foreign key, right? And the fact table would contain key and measure. Star schema is easy to understand and provides optimal disk usage. The dimension tables are not normalized. For instance, in the above figure, like in this figure, okay, like country ID does not have country lookup table, as the OLTP means online transactional processing design would have. The schema is widely supported by BI tools. Now look at this example. In this, why it is called a star schema? This is our fact table, right? So fact just a minute. So this is the fact table, and here in this fact table there are number of fields like revenue, dealer ID, model ID, branch ID, date ID, units sold and revenue. These all are the fields in this fact table. You can say this is the main table. It is just like a star, and this is connected to these respective tables. And what are these called? Dimension tables. Okay, so this revenue is means date dim. Okay, date ID in this year, months, quarter, date. So here date wise we are creating this table, and in this dimension table we are creating according to the product, like product ID, product name, model, variant ID. Okay, so this is the dealer dimension table. In this, all the informations related to the dealer, like dealer ID, location, country, and dealer name, etc. And this dimension table is basically for the branch table, means this is the primary key branch table and this is also a primary key, but this is behaves like a foreign key in this table. So here in this branch ID, name, address and country. So there are basically two things, fact table and the dimension tables. Dimension tables are connected to the fact table. This is the main table, so it is connected to the respective tables. In these respective tables, all the primary keys are connected to this primary key, which is called as a foreign key. Okay. So this is all about the star schema, and this is a question for the practice. What is star schema? Explain with example. Right? Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.